This laying method has huge advantages over a solid wall. First, it dries quickly. Second, we get two perfectly flat surfaces right away, no matter how uneven the aerated concrete is, so you don't need thick plaster. The installation is super easy. We pour perlite inside in just one day, making the wall twice as warm and much cheaper than standard aerated concrete. The process is simple. We build the walls, put on the roof, bring in a truck of perlite, and pour it in. That's it. The house is insulated and ready for finishing. Subscribe, there is a lot of interesting stuff ahead.